Welcome to JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths. In this class, we are to learn physics, and precisely has to do with elasticity. That is a concept with which you know Hooke's law about. Okay, then before we delve into the question, remember that Hooke's law says that the extension of an elastic material is directly proportional to the what applied force or load, provided that the elastic limit is not exceeded. Okay, then there are concepts under that to talk about tensile stress, tensile strain. We are going to meet them as we go. And your modulus. The question says an elastic wire 2 meter is stretched twice its length by a 3 Newton force. If the cross-sectional area of the wire is 0.5 meters square, find the tensile A, stress, B, strain, and C, Young modulus. Very simple. Then in solving this, we recall we are given that the original length of the wire, we call it L0, is 2 meters. And the wire is now stretched to the final length. The final length, let's call it L. The final length L is now, okay, from the question, the final length L is now equal to twice. Twice the original length means 2 times 2, which is equal to what? 4 meters. Do not make a mistake here. That's the final length. It is stretched twice its original length. Then the extension now will now be equal to L minus L0, which is 4 minus 2 equal to 2 meters. So that's the extension. The added length is extra 2 meters. It was stretched twice, 2 times. Okay. Then, of course, the force is what? 3 Newton. The force is 3 Newton. So we are told to find the stress. And the cross-sectional area is given to be 0.5 meters squared. So for the first quantity, we are looking for the stress, tensile stress. I, stress of elastic material is the ratio of the force applied to the cross-sectional area of that material. So stress is equal to force over area. When we say ratio goes by sequence of the fraction. So do not make mistake of interwoven or making mistake of force arrangement or wrong arrangement in that. Okay, or misplacing the ratio of the quantities. So it is force over area. Then, which is equal to the force is 3 Newton. The area is 0.5. Of course, when you have 3 over 0.5, that will give us, we now have 3 over 0.5 simply means 3 over 1 times 2 over 1 times 2. Remember, 3 over 0.5 means 3 divided by 1 over 2. 0.5 is half. So when you say division, you invert it. Good. Which gives us what? 6. So the tensile stress is 6 Newton per meter square. This is the unit of stress. That is Newton per meter square. Force is in Newton, area is in meter square. So we now talk about II. Remember what I did here? What I did here simply means 3 over 1 divided by 1 over 2. That's how I got to this place, because 0.5 means 1 over 2. So 3 over 1 divided by 1 over 2, you invert when you put multiplication. It becomes here 2 over 1. Okay? With our calculator, this is how to do that. Then II asks us to find the strain. Tensile strain is given by extension over original length, not just over length. The extension over original length, not final length, but the original length. Okay, from our analysis here, the extension is 2 meters. So, which is equal to original length is 2 meters, and the extension is also 2 meters, which is equal to 1. It has no unit because extension is already in meter, length is already in meter, so meter versus meter, no unit. 1 is the answer there. Then we are asked to find the Young modulus of elasticity. Of course, Young modulus of elasticity noted by letter Y is equal to tensile stress over tensile strain. That is it. Stress over strain, because it says that stress is proportional to strain, provided the elastic limit is not exceeded. So stress is proportional to strain. In that case, the Young modulus becomes the constant of proportionality when you express the Hooke's law in that language of stress and strain versus Young modulus as the constant of proportionality. Okay, so if this is the case, our stress, we obtain our stress to be this 6 Newton per meter square, and our strain is 1. So our Young modulus is equal to 6. What will be the unit? The Young modulus will have to take the unit of that word, tensile stress. That's because strain has no unit. So it take the unit of tensile stress. Okay, which is 6 Newton per meter square. That is it. Good. Very simple. So I believe with this you can solve a question like this in exams. Be mindful of what we did here. This interpretation, when you say stretched twice, stretched by half, stretched thrice, and so on, interpret it accordingly and do your work. And don't forget that this is versus original length for the strain. Good. Keep on following this Facebook page to enjoy more of physics and mathematics. If you have any question, drop in my comment box. Then, if you need my tutorial lesson, private lessons, preparation for exams, do not hesitate to chat me through my WhatsApp contact here or drop message from the inbox. Then, do not forget to share this video to others so that other scholars will enjoy this learning with us. Also, visit my YouTube channel at JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths for more of this. Have a nice day.